What up? So, back. Me and my homie are about to go mountain biking downtown, I believe. I don't know where we're going. Might be going downtown. I'm about to load up my bike, go link up with him, and head downtown, see what we come up with. The Chevy has about the worst turn radius you could possibly get. I mean, it doesn't get much fucking worse than a Chevy turn radius. But whatever. And I gotta dust this thing off. I haven't used it in a minute. Let's see how the front tire looks. Front tire, back tire, look at this, ready? About to quick put some air in the tires on the bike, and then we're hitting the road. And that's what it looks like when you don't give a shit where your tire pressure is at. As long as it's hard, it's good for me. Man, you run the 20 PSI or 30 PSI, man, I run them rock fucking solid. The harder the tire, the better the ride. Thing's ready to just glide and slide. Bike, it's not going anywhere. What up? We just made it downtown. It's on.
Landed a crank flip.
Man, got the crank flip at the end. That's fucking sick. That's fat. Down the hill too.
Made the crank flip at the end.
Yeah.
Oh,
that was smooth. You couldn't have finished it off any better.
oh, dude, that's on the wrong side.
Kind of switch it. Switch it for the song. Fuck, I wasn't close enough. You're gonna have to do it again.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Do it again, yeah, bro. I wasn't. I was too far away. Couldn't see the beginning. That was dope. But you could see them in the background. I was trying to get them too.
Yes,
they were hyped.
The people I have. They're so cool.
Oh, they love it.
They didn't even believe me.
Yeah, he didn't. He waited too.
I hope you're watching.
Yeah, that one was prime. Got the long ass one too.
The crank flip at the end, the little.
You land it?
I mean, I got it like when I was coming down. I had my foot.
Yeah, on it. Round the corner, round the corner. Oh, oh, oh! No way! No way! Bruh. Oh yeah, that is so dope.
Wing.
So close, bro. So close. Oh no! She's got sunglasses on. It's dark out.
Maybe right towards the Stone Arch.
Yeah. Like up through Dinky and then over to Stone Arch. Go by like Mesa Pizza and shit.
There's some hardcore lockjaw wheelies here.
My shock's so busted it doesn't even matter what it's in. Oncoming car. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh god, you're too fast.
What up, homie? We got up here. We're at the Stone Arch Bridge, man. We're pimping out, doing some wheelies. We're here with a bunch of other people, a bunch of other knuckleheads. We got this lady right here, don't know what the hell's going on. Yo.
Bro, look how busy the bridge is.
Yo. This is his page, man.
What?
Jonah.
Oh. Ooh, jinx tail.